How to turn off notifications on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn off notifications on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we should go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom. Here we need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now just tap on the settings at the top. Here we should find option notifications and tap on it. Now we can pause all our notifications just by switch this option on from 15 minutes to 8 hours. For example, I will do it for 2 hours. Also we can open post stories and comments and turn off notifications on likes and other options. And also we can go to direct messages and calls, following and followers, and do the same here as you wish. You can do the same with other options such as live and video, direct messages and calls, fundraisers from Instagram, email notifications and shoppings. And that's all. It was how to turn off notifications on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.